Hello there. We just got done watching the Netflix film Mother of the Bride. It came out in 2024. It is a rom-com, a 1 hour and 30 minutes, rated TBPG. A destination wedding turns awkward when a bride's mom discovers the groom's dad is her ex. And the stars Brooke Shields and Benjamin Bratt and Miranda Cosgrove. Who else? iCarly. So, a few names. Directed by Mark Walters. I thought it was okay. It was fairly predictable, and I was a little nitpicky about a couple of stupid details in the movie that were a little silly But for a rom-com, I thought it was pretty decent. What did you think?
Yeah, I liked it. I enjoyed it.
Yeah. I'd probably give it a 3 out of 5 stars. Wasn't the best movie ever, and I certainly wouldn't probably watch it ever again. But one time through, I think, if you're a fan of rom-coms, this might be one that you might enjoy. If you, enjoy watching movies with your mom or your daughter or whatever the case may be, I could see this being a fun mother-daughter kind of movie to watch, especially if the daughter's an adult already. But, if you've seen Mother of the Bride, let me know what you thought of it. But 3 out of 5 stars. What would you say?
Yeah, 3.5.
3.5 for you. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see if I can find a link to either the trailer or something like that, and I'll put that below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!